Good afternoon, students. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn chapter number 12, perimeter and area, practice set 47. Okay, we have completed practice set 46 yesterday, and we are going to learn practice set 47 today. All right, children. Now, in practice set 47, as I told you, this chapter is totally based on formulas. It needs to learn all the formulas, okay? Because whenever you are solving the sums, the formula is very important. Just write down the formula and then put the values and find the answer, right? Now here in question number 1, find the total surface area of cubes having following sides. Find the total surface area of cubes having the following sides, right? Now here 3 centimeter is the side. In second question 5 centimeter, 7.2 meter, 6.8 meter, 5.5 meter. Okay. Now we need to find the solution of it. Okay. Now what the question is, find the total surface area of cube. Okay, find the total surface area of cube. Now total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. This is the formula. Okay. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Here it is the formula. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. This is the formula. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Now, to solve this, which is equal to 6 will remain as it is. Okay. Multiply by L square. Length is how much? 3 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ पे हमारा वैल्यू पुट करना है सबसे पहले. 6 will remain as it is. 6L square. तो 6 into 3 square. Now again this 6 remain as it is. This 6 remain as it is. Now 3 square. See students, you need to learn the squares of numbers till 20. कि 2 का स्क्वायर कितना है? 2 का स्क्वायर 4 है, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 है, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 है, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 है. तो ये सारी चीजें आपको बाय हार्ट करनी है टिल 20 तक आपको स्क्वायर आने चाहिए कि 16 का स्क्वायर क्या है, 14 का स्क्वायर क्या है, 12 का स्क्वायर क्या है. ओके, लास्ट ईयर 7th standard students have learned it properly. Last year 8th standard, because 7th standard students and 8th standard students in both the classes I have taught, and it's my habit whenever I'm taking maths, I always say students learn the table properly and learn squares and cubes properly. So whenever I was going to, usually going to classrooms that time whenever I was getting time, that time I was asking the students of squares, cubes, tables. So the students were already prepared for the tables, squares and cubes. This time also, as I am not in the class, but still I expect that you also do the same thing. Learn the table properly, learn the squares and learn the cubes. So here 6 will remain as it is. This 6 into L length is how much? 3. So 3 square. So 6 into 3 का square कितना है? 3 3s are 9. Right? 3 3s are 9. So 6 9s are 54. Okay, 6 9s are 54. And the unit is 6 square centimeter. So 54 square centimeter. Okay, the answer is 54 square centimeter. Now, if the question is find the total surface area of cubes having the following side. So total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. 6 remain as it is into length is how much? 3. So put the value of length 3 square. Now 6 again remain as it is. 3 का square कितना है? 3 3s are 9. 3 का square मतलब क्या होता है? 3 जो है वो 2 times है. 3 जो है वो 2 times है. 3 square means what? 3 multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. And 6 9s are how much? 54 square centimeter. So 54 square centimeter. Okay, students. Now let's move for another sum. Now total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Here again 6 into L square. Now 6L square. Now here it will come 6L square, which is equal to 6 will remain as it is into 6 into length is how much? 5. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 5 square, right? 5, sorry, which is equal to 6 into L square. L length is how much? 5. So 5 square. Okay. Now here it will come 5 square. Okay, which is equal to 6 into 5 square is how much? 5 5s are 25. So यहाँ पे आएगा 25. Now 6 into 25 is how much? 25 6 are 150 square centimeter. Square centimeter. So what is the answer? 150 square centimeter. ठीक है? So 6L square, 6 into 5 square, 6 into 5 5 are 25, which is equal to 150 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Same in the case of third sum, 7.2 centimeter. Now here also 6L square means how much? Which is equal to 6 into length is how much? 7.2. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 7.2 square 7.2 square. Okay. Now here again 7.2 square, which is equal to 6 into 7.2 into 7.2 अगर हम लोग करते हैं तो आंसर आएगा हमारा 51.84. If I'll multiply 7.2 by 7.2, we will get the answer that is 51.84. 51.84. Okay. Now multiply 51.84 by 6. Okay. Here if I multiply 51.84, 51.84. Okay. And here if I multiply this number by 51.84 by 6. Okay. So what would be the answer? Here if I'll multiply 51.84 by 6, what would be the answer? So here 51.84. Now 6 4s are 6 4s are, if 6 4s are 24. So here it will come 24. So 6 4s are 24. 24 ka 4, then 2 carry. Okay. 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 2, 50, 50 ka 0, 5 carry, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. So 11 का 1, यहाँ पे आएगा 1 carry, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 31. Now, how many digits are there after decimal point? 1, 2. 2 digits are there after this decimal point. So I'll take the decimal point before 2 number 1, 1, 2. तो यहाँ पे हमारा decimal point आएगा. So the answer is 311.04 square meter. 311.04 meter. Understood everyone? Understood? Yes or no? Understood everyone? Okay, simple it is. 6L square, 6 into L square, 6 into 25, 150 square centimeter. If decimal point is there, you need to multiply the digit first. After getting the answer, multiply it by 6. So when we multiply this 51.84 by 6, first of all do multiplication, then count the digits after decimal point and then give the decimal point after the digits or before the digits. See, 1, 2 point after decimal point only 2 digits are there. So we will count the digit from unit place. So 1 and 2 and then after 2 digits will give decimal point. All right, children. So let's go for another sum. I hope everyone understood this. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Everyone is saying yes, teacher. Okay. Okay. Now let's move for another sum. We need to go fast, children. So I need your help for this because if you'll pay attention, then and only then we can go somewhat fast. Okay. Now question number 2 is find the total surface area of cuboid. Now here everyone, please pay attention. See, tables has to be learned till 20 and squares also has to be learned till 20 square. 14 का square कितना आता है 12 का, because these students you will go to 8th standard next year. तो आपका ये 1 year जो है वो पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? आपको जो लर्न करना है वो लर्न करना ही है. मैथ्स में जब तक आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर नहीं होंगे, आप नेक्स्ट ईयर जाओगे तो आपको डिफिकल्टी फील होगा कि ये ऐसा था, ये वैसा था. तो बेटर कि जैसे जैसे हमारे रेगुलर क्लासेस में हम जब स्कूल में जाते हैं तो करते, वैसे ही हमको ऑनलाइन सेशन में भी करना है. तो लास्ट ईयर सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने 7th स्टैंडर्ड के स्क्वायर्स 20 तक बाय हार्ट किए थे. सबको पता था 18 का स्क्वायर कितना है, 19 का स्क्वायर कितना है. तो सेम थिंग आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, तो बेटर इन योर नोटबुक राइट डाउन 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So every number square, write down and learn it. Okay. So when you learn the squares, you will not feel difficulty because every time you not need to multiply the number 14 into 14 किया, फिर 14 का square निकाला. So it's save your time. It actually save your time. Okay, and it's very interesting when you know what is the square of 18, what is the square of 19, what is the square of 12. Okay, so that's why learn the square, learn the table properly. Okay. Now here in question number 2, find the total surface area of the cuboid of length, breadth and height as given below. Now if length is given, breadth is given and height is given, so you need to find out total surface area of the cuboid. So here the formula is given. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to, total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. LB plus BH plus LH. So if I'll ask you what is the formula for total surface area of cuboid, so total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. LB plus BH plus LH. So this is your length. 12 centimeter is the length. 10 centimeter is the breadth. And 5 centimeter is the height, LBH. And what is the total surface area of cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now here write down the values. Wait a minute. Now formula for total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH, right? Now, which is equal to, now put the values over here, which is equal to 2 into length is how much? 12. As I given you, as I hear in question it is given, a length is 12 multiplied by breadth is how much? 10 plus, again breadth is how much? 10. Put the values, children. 10. Height is how much? 5. Right? Plus length is again how much? 12 into height is how much? 5. Right? Height is 5. Okay. Now do the multiplication. ठीक है? Is equal to 2 will remain as it is जब तक हमारा अंदर का means inside the bracket solve नहीं होता है, हमको 2 को कहीं पे भी लेके नहीं जाना है, 2 अपनी जगह पे जैसे कि वैसा रहेगा. ठीक है? नाउ डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. जब भी हम ये ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे उसके बाद 2 हमारे काम में आएगा. नाउ 12 into 10 is 120. See, 12 tens are 120, right? Here it will come 120 plus 10 fives are 50 plus 12 fives are 60. Okay. Now again here it will come 2 will remain as it is, right? Here it will come bracket. Now 150 plus 120 plus 50 is 170. 170 plus 60 is how much? 230. It is 230. Okay. Now ये bracket represent करता है multiplication. Now 2 multiply by 230. 2 multiply by 230, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 460. 460 square centimeter. Okay. Now again I repeat this. If length is given, that is 12 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter, which is equal to total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now 2 will remain as it is. L means 12, B means 10, B means 10, H means height, length means 12, H means 5. Now 12 tens are 120, 10 fives are 50, 12 fives are 60. Now 120 plus 50 is 170, 170 plus 60 is 230. Now 2 multiply by 230, which is equal to how much? 460 square centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of cuboid is equal to 460 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Okay, understood. I hope everyone understood till this. Yes. Same as in case of this total surface area of cuboid. Length is 5, breadth is 3.5, breadth 3.5, height 1.4, length 5, height 1.4. Put all the values. Okay, put all the values like this. See, total surface area of cuboid, which is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? Sorry. Now here it will come, which is equal to 2 into length is how much? 5. Sorry. 5 into breadth is how much? 3.5 plus sign will remain as it is. Breadth is again 3.5, right? Multiplied by height is how much? 1.4 right? Plus length is how much again? 5 into height is how much? 1.4. Okay, wait a minute. 1.4. Okay. Now, which is equal to again, 2 will remain as it is, as I told you. First of all, solve the bracket first. 5 into 3.5, अगर 3.5 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आंसर आएगा हमारा 17.5. ओके, प्लस 3.5 into 1.4 करते हो तो आंसर आएगा 4.9, प्लस 4.9 प्लस 5 into 1.4 करते हो तो आंसर आएगा 7. ठीक है. नाउ एड द नंबर. सी हाउ टू ऐड द डेसिमल नंबर. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आना चाहिए. 17.5 प्लस 4.9. पॉइंट के नीचे ही पॉइंट आना चाहिए एडिशन करते समय. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट 4.9. ठीक है. प्लस 7. तो 7 के आगे डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं है तो वी विल राइट हियर 7. पॉइंट नहीं है तो पॉइंट देंगे हम और उसके आगे लिखेंगे 0. 7.0 मीन्स 7. ठीक है. तो पॉइंट के नीचे ही पॉइंट आना चाहिए और डिजिट्स के नीचे डिजिट्स. ठीक है. तो 17.5 देन पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आएगा 4.9. यहाँ पे 7 के आगे डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं है तो वी कैन टेक इट एज 7.0. नाउ 9 plus 5 is how much? 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 का 4, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. तो 19 का 9. डेसिमल पॉइंट के नीचे डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा. In multiplication we count the digit. In addition and subtraction we cannot count the digit. We usually not count the digit. हम addition और subtraction में क्या करते हैं? डेसिमल के पॉइंट के नीचे डेसिमल पॉइंट देते हैं. इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी काउंट द डिजिट्स एंड देन वी गिव द डेसिमल पॉइंट. बट इन एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन वी डोंट काउंट द डिजिट. ओके, we only write the digits one by one and decimal point will come after the first decimal point. ठीक है. डेसिमल के नीचे ही दूसरा डेसिमल आएगा और दूसरे डेसिमल के नीचे तीसरा डेसिमल आएगा. ठीक है. तो we'll write over here this like this and then 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 1 carry. फिर decimal point आएगा हमारा. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 का 9. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 29.4. ठीक है. Now 29.4 multiply by 2. तो क्या होगा आंसर? 29.4 into 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then 2 9s are 18. 18 का 8. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Now कितने डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है? डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? ओनली 1. तो I'll count the digits from unit place. 1 के बाद ही हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा. So the answer is how much? 58.8 square centimeter. Understood everyone how to calculate the number of decimal point? In addition and subtraction, just write the number one below, one after another. Okay. And second number will just come below the first and the decimal point will come just below the first decimal point, and then count the digits. Okay. And put the decimal point just below the question. Okay, that will be the addition of decimal numbers. In multiplication, we count the digits after decimal point, and after getting answer, we count the digits from unit place and then give the decimal point. ठीक है? Understood everyone? So in this way, we have completed our question number 1 and question number 2 of practice set 47, right? Now question number 3 is same as that of the question number 2. Matchbox is 4 centimeter long. See, matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 meter broad, means length is given, breadth is given, height is given. Okay, what is need to do? Total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Put the values and find the answer. Okay. Question number 4 is also same like that. Okay. So this in this way we have completed our practice set 47. One question number 4 is for your practice and question number 3 is same as that of question number 2. Just put the values on the in formulas and find the answer. Thank you very much everyone.